Holy Thursday. We had dinner at McDonald's. Just having a pecan chocolate bar. Siyempre, may pa-biskwit ang ating fire drill. So are we ready? Huwag naman sanang mag-earthquake. Tapos na yung fire drill. Punta na tayo sa dapat kong gawin. I'm here now at the Gilmore Station of LRT. Kasi may papaayos ako. So ngayon, ang problema ko is that I bought a load from the Beat Up online. So hindi ko ngayon ma-retrieve sa Beep Load yung load ko kasi yung Recto Station hindi gumagana kasi walang screen yung pinaka-loader nila. So sabi ko dito na lang sa Gilmore. Hindi din gumagana, nagbabuffer. So sabi naman ng mga helpful staff dito na tatawagan nila yung technician at papaayos. Sabi ko, saan naman manggagaling yung technician? Baka kung saan. Sa Cubao lang naman daw. So, let's hope na pagbalik natin, gumagana na siya. Nandito ako sa elevator ng J. Ruiz Station. Dito ko na napaload yung beep. Mabuti na lang yung machine nila dyan gumagana. So, kaya ako nandito sa J. Ruiz. Tapos na akong magpa-ayos. Actually, nagpunta na ako dyan about a month ago. At ang sira ng ating laptop was the charging point. Tapos yung charging point na yon, nagamit ko naman siya ng 1 month. Tapos parang walang problema. Pero kaya ako siya dinala dyan, amoy sunog. So naaamoy ko siya habang nagla-laptop ako. Tapos for almost a month naman, wala namang nangyayari. Tapos but this morning, inamoy ko siya. Sabi ko, oh my God, nangangamoy na siya. Kailangan ko na siyang bumalik. Actually, nagbayad na ako ng 2,500 the time that I was there. Although hindi sila sure kung makakahanap sila ng parts. Sabi ko, hindi makakahanap ka kung kailangan makahanap ng parts. Tumagal lang kasi, hindi ako dinawagan ni Mr. Park, yung may-ari ng NetPia. Ang usapan, pag nahanap na yung parts, tatawagan nila ako. Sabi tuloy ni Brian, yung nag-aayos doon, ang tagal mong bumalik. Sabi ko, matagal na ba yung parts dyan? Sabi niya, oo. Sabi ko, hindi ako tinawagan ng boss. But anyway, tapos na yung problema. I was hoping pa naman na kung wala silang parts, yung money na binayaran ko, ipapalit ko na lang ng additional 8 gig RAM. But anyway, next time na lang yun. Pero at least hindi na tayo natatakot na baka masunog tong laptop natin. Pabalik na ako ng Pasay. Hello, it's Saturday. I just came from the barangay. I got the paayuda of the barangay. It's Pasay.
I've always wondered because I wasn't aware of the mga happenings in Quezon City where I used to live for almost entire life. But I never really got wind of what's happening in the barangay. So now that we live just two lots away or just, oh, even just a lot away from the barangay, eto, we're always aware na they have this mga paayuda. So, but I don't know how different it is, you know, from Pasay versus Quezon City. So where did we spend the ayuda? We plowed it back, you know, at least a portion of it to this barangay. Kumain ako ng lunch from the Carinderia here. Happy Tommy, happy person. When I went to the barangay, I really just woke up, took a bath, and rushed down. I don't know if TTP passed by earlier before going to work to get the ayuda. I hope he did because initially he was saying ako, tapos iiwanan niya ng parang authorization. He left early, so I hope he got his ayuda.